Hello everyone, this is Sophia here, and we're going to make a tiger face today. So a tiger is actually the world's biggest cat. Second biggest is the lion. And the biggest tiger is the Siberian tiger, and they can weigh up to 660 pounds. And notice how I'm making a wide curve at the bottom of the tiger's face and then narrowing it as it goes up. And here about is where I'm going to mark in my ears. And the ears are a little curved at the top on a tiger. And behind the ears, I'm going to make the top of the head, which has a bump and then a divot and then another bump, like that. And now I'm going to mark in the snout, which, much like the face, gets wider at the bottom, and have these two curves here. I'm also going to mark in where the nose is and the mouth. And a little above halfway on the face is where I'll stop the snout and create the eyes. So I've marked in about where I want the eyes. And I'm just going to pull a line over to create the top of the eye on either side. And a curved, pointed shape at the bottom of each eye, like that. I'm also going to put the nose in, which is this little divot, and then kind of a mushroom shape, like that. You can erase the triangle. That's why it's important to draw lightly. There you go. And the next thing you can do is start creating different sections on the face. So I'm creating sections on either side of the eye that make the flat plane next to the snout. So those are flat planes next to the snout. I'm going to put two little lines where the nose is. And now I'm going to start adding in my stripes. And a tiger's stripes are much like a human's thumbprint. Each tiger has their own unique set of stripes. And how I'm doing this is I'm kind of mimicking the general shape of the top of the head and creating these sort of mustache-like shapes. But much like a tiger stripes, all of our stripes on our tiger drawings will look a little bit different because we're all unique individual artists. And the pupil is going to go in the top center of each eye. And that's the general outline of the tiger's face. You can also add some whiskers right there. And so tigers are really special because they can live in all sorts of environments. They can live in rainforests, swamps, wetlands, grasslands, savannas. And so they're really special, and they even have webbed toes so that they can swim really well. These are the only cats in the world who actually like water. And so they evolved to have those toes, and they used to live all throughout Asia, but now they only live in 13 countries in Asia due to their endangerment. Their habitats have been taken over by humans, and they've also experienced poaching. But these are really, really incredible creatures, and there are people who are working to save their species. There are 6 different living species of tiger, and many countries actually, their national animal. I believe India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, South Korea all have named the tiger as their national animal. And they're also a symbol in popular culture and folklore. If anyone's seen the film The Jungle Book, there's a tiger in that movie. And they're known as being super fierce, but really they're just amazing hunters and amazing animals. I think in pop culture sometimes certain they get sort of a negative connotation, but it's not really that accurate. And so now I'm just shading in anywhere I think might have shading or might be like the color orange, because a tiger's fur oftentimes is orange. Not all tigers, but some. If you want it to be a white tiger, you don't have to do the shading. And they're also, tigers are a symbol in the Chinese zodiac. They represent the earth and war. And these are really just amazing creatures. I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a tiger, and be well and creative.